What if I told you, one tiny light on your dashboard could save you thousands of dollars, or warn you before your car completely breaks down? But do you actually know what these warning lights mean? In this video, we'll break down the most common car dashboard warning lights, what causes them, and which ones you should never ignore. First, here's an important rule. Red warning lights means stop immediately. Yellow or orange means caution. Get it checked soon. Green or blue lights simply show a system is active. Brake warning light. This may indicate low brake fluid, worn brake pads, or a serious braking problem. If this light stays on while driving, stop safely and inspect your brakes immediately. Battery light. This warning means your battery is not charging properly. The problem could be your alternator battery or a damaged belt. Ignore it, and your car may suddenly die. Overheating. This symbol means your engine is overheating. Possible causes include low coolant, radiator problems, or a failed water pump. Continuing to drive can seriously damage the engine. One of the most dangerous warning light is low oil pressure. This means the engine may not be getting proper lubrication. Driving like this can destroy your engine within minutes. This one is simple, but life-saving. Seatbelt symbol. Always wear your seatbelt. It reduces serious injuries during crashes. The famous check engine light. It can mean anything from a loose gas cap to serious engine problems. If the light flashes, stop driving immediately. If it stays solid, get the vehicle scanned as soon as possible. Traction control. This light appears when the traction control system activates to prevent wheel slip on slippery roads. If it stays on continuously, the system may have a fault. Low fuel symbol. This means your car is basically begging for fuel. Driving too long on low fuel can even damage the fuel pump. Low tire pressure symbol. This indicates underinflated tires. It leads to reduction in fuel efficiency. Tires can wear out faster and increase the risk of blowouts. If this ABS light turns on, your anti-lock braking system may not work properly. Your brakes will still function, but emergency braking performance could be reduced. Airbag symbol. This warning means there may be a problem with the airbag system. In an accident, airbags may fail to deploy properly. Engine light. This light is common in diesel vehicles. It warms the glow plugs before starting the engine. These lights simply show active systems like windshield defrost or fog lights being turned on. This reminder appears in many modern cars to ensure the brake pedals press before shifting gears or starting the engine. Dashboard warning lights are your car's way of communicating with you. Some are harmless reminders, while others warn of major mechanical failures. Understanding them can save money, prevent breakdowns, and even save lives. If this video helped you understand your dashboard better, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automotive explainers. And remember, never ignore warning lights.